Place 2 to 3 drops of ethyl alcohol with a lighted matchstick. Then, touch the ethyl alcohol with a lighted matchstick, and then observe whether it is flammable or non-flammable. Take note of the luminosity, color, and amount of smoke formed if the flame is produced. Place a pinch of sucrose in a dry soft drinks bottle cup with a crucible tongue. Heat it gently over a low flame for a few minutes until a change is seen. Then heat strongly until the substance is burned. Observe the nature of the residue left after ignition. Repeat the test using sodium chloride instead of sucrose. And then compare the results obtained. Into 2 separate test tubes, place 1 ml each of distilled water and ethyl. Add a pinch of naphthalene powder to each test tube. And then shake and observe.
Therefore, elements present in organic compounds were identified in this experiment by combustion and addition of strong base to an organic compound. Bilstein test was also used to identify if halide was present in a solution. Differences between the properties of organic and inorganic compounds were also observed in this experiment by doing some tests. Organic compounds have low melting point, that's why it melts easily than inorganic compounds having high melting point. Organic compounds are poor conductor of electricity, while inorganic compounds are good conductor because it easily breaks into ions in water. Lastly, organic compounds are covalently bonded with each others. That's why it doesn't ionize in solution, while inorganic compounds ionize easily in solution. In flammability, the ethyl alcohol is flammable while the distilled water is not. The ethyl alcohol is flammable, it's because it has a hydrocarbons, and these hydrocarbons contain many chemical bonds and in turn a large energy potential. When the alcohol is lit by another source of energy, the bonds break rapidly, releasing energy in the form of heat. In jarring, the sucrose melted while the sodium chloride was not. The sucrose melted, it's because when sucrose are heated, they melt and break down into glucose and fructose. The increases in temperature causes the sugar to darken in color. This process also can occur during the heating of food with natural sugar, for example, frying onions.